In the Winter 24 release, you can now report on manual account shares using reports in Salesforce. To set this up, from Salesforce Setup, navigate to Report Types and then press on New Custom Report Type. Select the primary object as Account Share and define a report type label, description, category, and set it to deployed. Once this is done, press Next and then press Save. Navigate back to the Report tab to test this out. Let's create a new report based on the Account Share report type and start the report. From here, we need to add in some columns. So let's add in account name, access, share ID, case access, contact access, group, user, row cause, opportunity access. And let's group this by account name. Now that I'm happy with my report, I'm going to save it. And I can now see that I've got 3 manual account shares in my org, which are granting access to these users. And this is the level of access that these users are gaining.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and add any feedback in the comments. Thanks.